안녕 우리 친구들. My name is Aram Kim. I'm an author and illustrator of children's picture books. Today I want to share with you the story I wrote and illustrated called No Kimchi for Me. This story was inspired by my childhood memory of not wanting to eat kimchi because it was too spicy for me. Now, as an adult, I cannot live without kimchi, but as a kid, I wasn't so excited about it. But at the same time, I wanted to eat kimchi because that's what all the cool kids ate, right? So I made a story about it. I hope you enjoy it. Shall we look at this together? When we opened the book very first, I included all the vegetables that you can use to make kimchi. No kimchi for me. And you can see that it was a rainy day when the story started. Look, because it was raining, Yoomi couldn't go outside, so she was trying to entertain herself, drawing, playing with the jumping rope, playing with the dolls, because her brothers, Jun and Yoon, were busy doing the homework. Jun is working on an essay, Yoon is working on a math problem, and Grandma calls, "It's time for lunch." Let's see what they eat for lunch. Yoomi loves Grandma's dry seaweed, tiny anchovies, soft egg omelets, even her seasoned bean sprouts. But do you see June is pushing kimchi plate to Yoomi? But Yoomi does not like stinky, spicy kimchi. She doesn't look very excited, does she? "You can't eat it because you are a baby," says June. "Only big kids eat kimchi," says Yoon. Brothers are being a little mean. I will show them. See, Yoomi is trying out a big piece of kimchi. Oh no! Do you see how she's turning red? Yuck! She had to spit it out. It was too spicy. "Baby, baby!" The brothers tease. And Grandma's giving Yoomi some water. That's not very nice of the brothers, is it? After lunch, Jun and Yoon don't let Yoomi play. This game is not for babies. Yoomi looks disappointed, right? And it keeps raining outside. "No fair," Yoomi says. It really isn't. And brothers keep having fun playing video games together, like making model trips together, but they are saying, "Not for babies." And look, "I'm not a baby," says Yoomi, "and I can prove it." Can you guess how Yumi is going to prove she's not a baby? She walked up to the refrigerator and swung open the door and faces a big jar of kimchi. Uh-oh. Yumi has an idea. So Yumi walks with the big jar of kimchi. What is she going to do? First, she tries to hide some kimchi on a chocolate chip cookie. That doesn't work. Then she tries to hide some on a slice of pizza. That doesn't work either. Ice cream doesn't work either. So Yumi's trying to eat kimchi with something she loves so that she can hide the taste, but it's not working. Ah, I hate kimchi, shouts Yoomi. Hate is such a strong word and we shouldn't be using it with food, but Yoomi is so frustrated. So let's let that slip, right? Grandma has a plan. Let's see what kind of plan Grandma has. They chop, so Grandma's chopping kimchi. Pour, what are they pouring? They are pouring the flour and water. Break, Grandma's breaking an egg into a bowl, right? Add the chopped kimchi from before. Stir. So Yoomi is stirring everything together in a bowl. And cook. Sizzle, 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 sizzle. It is a delicious sound. Can you guess what they are making? Yoon smells something delicious. What's that? Asks Yoon. June smells it too. What's that? Asks June. Do you know what this is? It's a kimchi pancake. Look how high it went up. It's a kimchi pancake for our big girl, Grandma says. So everyone is sitting around kimchi pancake to share. And look, like Grandma and Yoon are using chopsticks. Yoomi and June are using forks. Everyone got their drinks. Yoomi puts the fork to her mouth. I can do this, she says. Still spicy, she says. Gulp, gulp, she's drinking some milk. But yummy! So everyone is sharing kimchi pancake together. And look, the rain is letting up outside. Kimchi pancake must have been very yummy. Nothing is left on the plate, and Yoomi and brothers went outside to play together. The end. So it is a happy ending, and there is a kimchi pancake recipe in the very back. And at the very end, I included these different kinds of kimchi for you to look, because there are so many different kinds and these are only a few of them. And if you have tried many, I want you to see what your favorite is. My favorite kimchi is muche, which is made of Korean radish. It's very crunchy, a little sweet, but spicy, and very yummy. So that was No Kimchi for Me. I hope you liked it, and I hope you get to try kimchi if you haven't, and I hope you like it. Thank you so much for joining. See you later. Bye!
Subscribe to our YouTube page today!